Now, hand me my beer. Where's your beer?
I thought we did do beer.
Huh?
I thought we didn't do beer in the video.
Yeah, we're being PG-13. Beer is PG-13.
Label it.
Yeah, label it. Right.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna shoot an intro. Step just a little bit. Let them see the. You got everything?
Yep.
All right. Hey, it's Jeremy from Lucky Hat Outdoors, and I'm sunburnt and hungover, and John's sunburnt and drunk. This is a Grand Isle Redfish limit, and we're in Grand Isle for the weekend.
I have nothing to froze.
All right, one more, right?
Last night, I think I had too much to drink. I threw out my troubles with the kitchen sink. I try my best to wash them down the drain, but I can see them rising up again. Hungover, over and over again. Every morning, it's just the same. My head hurts, throbbing with this pain, as I'm hung over and over again, as I'm hung over and over again.
That was both politest and the rudest. Like she said all the right things way too quickly to actually mean them. Good morning, how you doing? Nice day.
Well, you know, if she's dealing with these with boats and kayaks and all this coming through, they're like, because you got one guy, and we've all been that guy that are like,
come on, gotta catch
fucking,
time.
there's a kayak in front of us, and he's going to get in our spot.
You know what? You, I just realized that you. That shit happened. I didn't even think it until you mentioned it. I was all sat back, chill as hell, overloading everything. We got 500 pairs of underwear on my truck. I always
Supposedly
feel like
we can get to Fouchon too.
I always feel like a little bit of a child every time I make this turn. After all this time, I'm still kind of. They don't have power still. There's lights out.
The gas station's going.
That was nice. Did y'all see that?
What's that?
Young lady looked over at me and went. Now it could be because I kind of look like a Lenny. Looks like most of the lines are up.
I think allegedly they blew a transformer.
That's fairly easy to fix.
From what I read, the transformer blew in Fouchon.
Oh. But they said they had some poles that were leaning real bad.
Yeah, I'm sure they had to do some infrastructure work.
That northwest wind, huh? So we know what side we won't be fishing on.
So do we want to drive down to Emerald's Island and try launching in that way? Or do we want to go... Yeah, we don't want to try to cross to that island across from the Wildlife and Fisheries launch, huh?
No, not today.
Yeah.
That water is
I know.
pretty calm back down.
The problem is I think we're going to get pushed.
Well, the wind's going to blow us around, but this is the second launch point, and we don't launch here normally. It's pretty high, too.
It should be falling all day.
It's going up to 1.
Is it going up? Or is it
Yeah. But there's not much. It's the range is not much,
like
man.
4/10?
All weekend is. So thinking it's going to be one of those where we're not going to see a lot of trout. Hold it up, man. I got video going. Show that. So tell him what happened, man.
Yeah, he comes up to Chuck's bow. Chuck's bait is sitting in the water. He eats it on the way in, coming into me.
So he's got 2 hooks in his mouth.
He's still.
And John, that's your first kayak redfish, right?
Yeah, it's my first kayak red.
Is it a personal best redfish?
It's going to be my personal best.
That was a good fight. What'd you get him on, the minnows?
This one was on shrimp.
Shrimp. All right. What do you think, Chuck? 22? 24?
Solid 22, if not
25.
25.
With the tail pointed, right?
Yeah, tail pointed.
25 and a quarter.
25 and a quarter. Personal best kayak redfish. First kayak redfish.
with 2 hooks.
Blah, 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 blah. I don't know if you want me to record, I'm just still recording.
Okay, just don't kill everything. Hey, it's Jeremy from Lucky Hat Outdoors. If you're enjoying our videos, please subscribe to our channel and go ahead and click the like button. And if you have any questions, hit us up in the comments.